Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set the default message app on your Android phone, so Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, for example. And maybe you want to make Google Messages the default messaging app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. You want to select the apps button on this page and then select under general where it says default apps. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the SMS app. Go ahead and select that. And then if you have multiple ones listed in here, you can select them. By default, I believe it's the Google Messages one. You can also do a similar action for the phone app as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.